Hello guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to get Cursor Pro guys for free. So if you want to learn how to do this, then watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself so you can be able to do it also you on your own. So before we start guys, I just want to show you my invoice over here of my Cursor Pro. As you can see over here, I used a promo code guys, which it gave me the Cursor Pro guys for free for 12 months. So basically now I'm going to show you how you actually can get your own code guys. All right. So the first thing you need to do guys is to grab your phone in your hand. It doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. It can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps are going to be the same. Next, what you have to do is to go to internet browser and search about this site called novocoupons.com. Once you're gonna enter in guys, you have a lot of other things which you might check later. I'm just gonna use the searching bar to find it faster. And here it is. You press on it and now press your coupon code. And I just need to wait a couple of seconds guys so this circle to get complete until the end. Once it's going to be done, it's going to take you to the next page and it's going to show you the code is actually locked. So you have to press the button below, get the full code, and then the next step is going to require you guys to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. All you need to do is just need to read the instructions. It says over here, download the complete two apps below to unlock Cursor Pro code for free. You have a note, do not use VPN or proxy. So if you're using any VPN or proxy, you just need to turn it off before guys so the process doesn't fail. So what you have to do guys, down below you will find a list of apps which you need to choose 2 apps from the list to complete as a task. All the apps are for free, you don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are coming from official stores, from App Store or Play Store, depends on the phone that you're using. So what you have to do guys, you just need to read the instructions and try to find which app is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time on them. So once you're gonna choose which one you want to do it, you just go and press on it, and then it shows again the instruction what you need to do and press unlock now. It's going to take you to App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Play Store if you're using an Android device. Once you're going to get connected with your official store, the first thing you need to do is to download the app, and then after you download the app, you need to complete the task required as per description. When you finish with the first app, you go back to the site, do the second app, and then you're going to be able to unlock the code, and I'm going to show you how you actually can do that. I'll just need to complete the apps real quick, and then I'll come back to you to show how to unlock the code. Here we are guys, I just completed the apps, I did these 2 over here, and now how to unlock the code, you go back one more time to the site. Once you're gonna come back here, down below you're gonna find the button to take you back. For iPhones here, for Android you should have it here to take you back. You just go and press it, and then as you can see guys, the code get unlocked. So if you try to get back immediately without completing any task, the code is going to show locked again, or if you didn't complete the task correctly as per description, the code it might show locked again, so you need to pay a little bit of attention to the description as well so you don't make any mistake. So this code guys, it's an unused one, and it's going to be a gift for my first viewer. For the rest of you guys, you just need to complete the apps and you're going to be able to do it as well. So this is it guys in short words. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel guys, and see you next time.